Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. So if you want to change the language on your watch, first you will need to open the settings, and to do that, wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the select button, then swipe left on the home screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it, of course. In settings, find the option called preferences. And once you find it, tap on it, of course, to enter. And here we need to find the option called watch language. It should be right here. And once you find it, tap on it. And we have a list of languages right here we can select from. You have options like follow phone's language. So if you select this option, it will mirror the language from your phone that your watch is paired with. And then we have normal list of languages like English, Spanish, and stuff like that. So find the language you would like to use on your watch. And once you find it, you can tap on it to select it, and the language will be applied in a few seconds. Like this. And then you can press the back button a few times to go back to watch face. I'm just gonna switch it back to English and then go back. Like this. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.